Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all get on your running shoes because we have another run glitch deal this morning at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you have those notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. Also, while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, we have a couple of quick things that I want to go over with you all. Number one is that I have already uploaded the new clearance updates and penny list information for this week at Dollar General. So that will start on Tuesday, so make sure that you check out that video if you haven't already. Also, today I'm going to be uploading a second video where we go over all the new Dollar General digital coupons. Plus, we have some more glitches that I'm not necessarily calling run glitches, alright? So, make sure that y'all stay tuned for that video as well. And like I said before, turn on those notifications, and that way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also, starting tomorrow, first thing Monday morning, I'm going to be uploading the first video in my how-to series. So for this first video, we are going to be going over everything that you need to know about DG Cash. And then from there, I'm hoping to be able to put out at least one how-to video a week covering a new topic. Now, I already have several topics that I know I want to cover, but if you guys have any suggestions, anything that you want me to do kind of a deep dive or a very detailed video on explaining step by step how it works, please let me know down in the comment section below, because these videos are for you all, and hopefully it will help a lot of new couponers who are coming into our community as well. So like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because this video will be dropping first thing tomorrow morning. I'll probably have it up around 5 or 6 Eastern Standard Time, so grab your cup of coffee and make sure that y'all check it out and give me some feedback. Let me know what y'all think about this. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and get into these run glitch deals. First up, I do want to go ahead and give a huge shout out and thank you to our awesome friend Deborah Williams-Buss for sharing this deal with me first thing bright and early this morning. And I want to go ahead and let you guys know that she does have her own YouTube channel as well. So if you guys want to head on over there, make sure that you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, do all the things. I'm going to have her YouTube channel linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, here are a few quick tips that I want you all to keep in mind. Number one, digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Number two, glitches can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. Number three, when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to price check because prices can vary from store to store. All right, now here is the glitch. We have the Febreze car clips 1 count. These are normally priced at $3.35 each. Well, these are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. And we also received this digital coupon right here last week. It is on the Febreze products, $3.30 off of 2. Now, I want you guys to please listen very carefully and watch the video all the way through. Now, typically, I would call this a legit deal because we are only combining a sale with a digital coupon. However, I'm calling this a run glitch deal because I feel like Dollar General probably just made a mistake on the ad and in their system. They probably forgot that we still had this $3.30 off 2 digital coupon on the Febreze products, which is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you all. That way you kind of know my thinking behind calling this a run glitch deal. And then I think that'll help you guys gauge whether you want to run to the store right now, right this second, or if you want to wait a few hours. I think that's always helpful information to share. And plus, I don't want you guys to think that this channel is just turning into a run glitch deal channel. It is definitely not that. I'm still going to be putting out daily deals that we can do all week long. So there's my reasoning behind that, and it is not going to surprise me if this glitch is fixed here in a day or two. So let's go ahead and take a look at the products that this glitch is working with. So first up, we have the Febreze Car Clip 1 count. This is the Laundry Fresh Scent. And again, these are all priced at $3.35 each. Next up, this glitch is also working on the Febreze Car Clip 1 Count Linen and Sky Scent. Now this next slide is a little bit confusing because it has the picture of a different scent of the car clips. This is the one that has the little lightning strikes up there at the top. But if you look down at the description, it says that it is the Linen and Sky scent. So if you do want to pick up the ones with the lightning strikes on them, just make sure that you scan that item to make sure that the sale and the coupon shows up underneath that product. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Gain Scented Febreze Car Clip 1 Count. And again, all of these are priced at $3.35 each. So once you scan the item, here's what you are going to be looking for. Underneath, it should show up the $3.30 off to digital coupon. And then it should also show you the offers, which is the buy one, get one free sale. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 2 at $3.35 each. They're buy one, get one free on sale. Use the $3.30 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying 5 cents for 2, making those a little over 2 cents each. So it's a really, really awesome deal. Now, I personally have not been to the store yet this morning because I've been working on all of these videos for you all, but I did send the hubby out, so this has been confirmed to be working at old register stores and also as pickup orders. So if anyone out there tries this at a new register store, or if you are brave enough to go through self-checkout, please come back and let us know about it down in the comment section below. Now also, if you are watching this video bright and early Sunday morning, but you don't plan on going out to Dollar General until this evening, make sure that you come back, check the video before you go into the store, and check the pinned comment. Because if new information pops up, I will always update the pinned comment with that info. That way it's really easy to find. Now also, I'm trying to make the comment section underneath my videos helpful for everybody. So if you guys go out and you do a transaction, whether it is this run glitch deal or if it's something else that I've posted, you can always come back underneath that video and leave details. That is always super helpful and greatly appreciated. And here are just a few examples of some helpful details that you could include in your comments, such as the type of register. Was it an old system, new system, self-checkout, pickup order? You could include the date, time, and the time zone that you're in. And then you could also include the scent or the brand of product that you picked up. Now, if you don't want to do that, that is absolutely fine. You can also just take a picture of your receipt and send that to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, and I can decipher the receipt and kind of see what's going on and figure it out from there, and then pass the information along to the rest of our community here. And also, I want to go ahead and thank all of you who sent me in pictures and receipts and deals last week. That was absolutely amazing and so helpful. And just to let you all know, I did stay up really late last night answering emails, so if you are waiting on a response from me, check your email this morning. I believe I got to everyone who emailed me last week. So check your all's emails. Make sure that you stay tuned, and of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, good luck everybody. I hope y'all can score this amazing deal. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.